It's Amit Sharma. Please bear with my bad English. I am currently PhD scholar at IIT Delhi in thermal engineering. Today I will share my interview experience at IIT Delhi of my PhD. So I did my BTech in 2017 from NIT Kurukshetra in mechanical engineering, and after BTech I didn't do MTech. I directly applied for PhD in 2020. So now I came to interview experience. I have applied for only three institutions: IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, and ISC Bangalore. In IIT Delhi also I have applied in three departments, in which two are interdisciplinary department. As you all know, we can apply maximum three department: energy studies, my interview of energy studies was at 4 June 2020. Design 5th June. And mechanical. In mechanical also you can choose one from four choices: design, thermal, production, industrial. So these two departments were interdisciplinary department. In generally the gate cutoff of interdisciplinary department were much higher than mechanical. The mechanical gate cutoff was 725 for mechanical, but energy studies was above 800, and same with design, because other branch candidate can also apply in these departments. So I gave all the three interviews and I was selected in mechanical. In mechanical I have applied in thermal engineering. So I will share my interview experience of mechanical. I also discuss some things about to interview also, why I was rejected in about to interviews. So interview was online and there were about 5 to 6 professors via Zoom. So it was very short interview. Basically in 1 hour slot they have assigned 4 candidates in each 1 hour slot. So there were average time of 15 minutes for each candidate. I was the first candidate in the morning at 9 a.m. So they were initially they were asking about introduction, and it was only a little introduction. After they started asking questions, they asked my favorite subjects. So basically I have applied in thermal, so I said thermodynamics, then heat transfer, fluid mechanics. So they have started with thermal. Initially they have asked very basic questions, like the most of questions were from application part, like efficiency of auto, diesel, and comparison. Also they have asked me entropy questions, entropy, available energy. The questions were very conceptual. In auto and diesel they have started some basic process, like draw the TS diagram. They have shown me two process. They asked about slope. They asked about final temperature after same heat addition for same initial point. Initial point is same and same heat is added, and they asked which have higher temperature. Then they asked have why. Then they completed, this is a constant volume process, this is a constant pressure process. So the form of question was about auto and diesel cycle. We know in auto the process are constant volume, in diesel the process are constant pressure processes. So They asked about effect of compression ratio on efficiency, and they asked about basic questions about entropy. What is entropy, what is available energy, and they also said what happens if heat is transferred from higher to lower temperature, why availability decreases. So questions were basically conceptual. They are very easy questions if your concept are clear, but they seems very tough if concept are not clear. And one thing I want to say, they asked in my two interviews, that was adiabatic flame temperature. In my 4th June interview energy studies, I was asked about what is adiabatic flame temperature. I don't know about it, and the mistake I did was that I even after the interview I didn't learn about adiabatic flame temperature. So in my mechanical interview, which was on 9th June, they asked same question, what is adiabatic flame temperature, and I also didn't knew because I haven't learned about this about my after my first interview. So that was one mistake I did. Second, they asked me about 20 to 22 questions, and I answered about 13 to 14 questions. And if I didn't know any answer, then I just say that I don't know answer of this question, sir. So they were very polite and they were helping if I struck somewhere. So after interview, I feel like that I might not be selected in interview because it was not a very good interview. But when the result came, I was surprised. I was selected, and there were about 81 candidates in thermal, and only 7 selected in general, and total 11 candidates of all categories. So it was very good experience. And in energy studies also I was rejected because I haven't prepared my interview very well. In energy studies I applied in IC engine, and they asked me the formula of petrol, and I couldn't tell the formula of petrol at that time. So, and then they have also asked very basic questions about what is IC engine, what is internal external petrol, difference between petrol and diesel, spark ignition knocking. But I think that was the main question when they rejected me. They asked about formula of petrol, gasoline, and I say I don't know, sir. Then they said to me that you are applying in PhD and you don't know the formula of petrol. So I think that the main, because my interview of energy studies went about 32 minutes, and my mechanical interview only ran about 12 minutes. So I was hoping that if I could select in IIT Delhi, then it might be in energy studies because it was my longest interview. But I was actually selected in mechanical. And design, it was very worst interview. It's run about only 2 to 3 minutes, and I don't have anything to share about it. So that was my whole interview experience. You can ask me any queries on my Gmail, amit19sharma@gmail.com, or you can also ask me on Instagram. Okay, all the best.